Quarantine may be here, but the sleigh must always appear. Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel of She Is Royalty, where everybody is a king, queen. Around here we are all royal, and that is on period. All right, y'all, so today I'm bringing you guys this like green, purple, glittery slime, 3 colors and glitter. Boom, done. If you're not part of the royal gang, make sure you subscribe below, be part of the royal gang down there. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I'm on your screen, your tablet, your laptop, your phone, wherever it is that you are watching me. And of course, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comments, all that jazz. And without further ado, let's get down to business. My brows off camera just to save time. Let me show you guys the products that I used on my brows just in case y'all need a reference. To draw my eyebrows, I used the Wet n Wild brow pencil in the color Simma brown. Yo, this is 99 cents and it's like the goat. Now to clean up my brows, I use the Juvias Place concealer in the number 12. This concealer is literally like my shade, so it makes it so much easier. Like, it's crisp, it's clean. Granted, I really just did my brows right before this video anyway. If y'all missed this video about how to do your brows during quarantine, I'm gonna put it up here or up here, wherever the cards are. I'm gonna link it right there so you guys can have access to it, because brows are not going to look crazy during quarantine, because I'm gonna put y'all on game. Okay, to start off with our base, we're gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C12. With the stippling brush, we're just gonna spread that out, and then we're gonna let it sit, let it get tacky, let it dry down before we start applying the colors. And if you ever see it start getting a little scarce like this, it's perfectly okay to add more. This is the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and we're gonna first go into this yellow right here, and we're gonna put this as our transition color. We're gonna pack on the color first. First, we wanna pack on the color so that we could get that color payoff that we need. You see what I'm saying? You see how that yellow is popping? Popping. And we want it to pop first, and then we'll blend it. Taking the angled crease brush from the Royal Brush Set, this is what I'm going to take and put in my crease. And then I'm going to go back into the yellow so I can blend out that green. Take your time in between each of the colors, because of the simple fact that it's going to take time to blend out the green and the yellow for it to at least mesh between each other, especially because this green is like popping. This lime green right here in the Zulu palette, we're going to pack this all over so it could be prepped as the base for our green shadows. Slime season. Okay, so I've applied the slime, and now I'm gonna put some glitter on top. I'm gonna take this glitter, and this is from by Makeup Goddess. Y'all could check her out on Instagram and her website. It looks purple, but y'all, it's like an iridescent, like you see, ooh, it's like an iridescent purple, but it gives you slime and it also gives you green. It gives me a mixture of colors. So I'm gonna take the NYX glitter primer and I'm gonna apply that onto my lid. It's giving me Easter. This is so giving me spring. So, you know, being that we're in quarantine, I realized that I'm starting to run out of primer. And it just so dawned on me that I had this primer just sitting and I can't even remember the last time I used it. So today I'm going to be using the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. I picked this up from Sephora. I don't even remember the last time I don't even think I've ever used it. So it's like illuminating primer. You know what? We're not really going anywhere. So let's just see how this works. Definitely illuminating. Why am I looking like Tin Man right now? It's time for liner. You guys already know I'm going to use the Old Faithful, the NYX Bat Liner. Liner, lashes, mascara, then face. The Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this is in the color Nutmeg. For concealer, I'm going to use the concealer Golden. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm not trying to waste Sacha, so this is why I had to pull out the Airspun, because Sacha is almost done and quarantine just started, so yeah. I'm going to chisel up the face a little bit, and I'm going to contour with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. I'm going to take the Sculpt color. I'm going to take this and contour my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. For the all over face powder, I'm going to use this L'Oreal True Match powder in the color N8. This has been sitting for such a long time. I don't even know if this is my color, but I think it is, and we're going to make it work. Listen, we cannot waste all of the good makeup for inside. I'm pretty sure there's certain things in your collection that you could use now. Ain't nobody really gonna see you. I mean, you know, the gram won't see you. And it actually came out good. I'm gonna take the same green and I'm gonna smoke that underneath the lash line. The same glitter that I applied on the lid, we're gonna apply that on the lower lash line. So the same process. I'm gonna take the NYX glitter liner. I'm gonna apply the glitter, but I'm gonna apply that with the angled brush. So I'm going to take this blush by Milani. It's called Romantic Rose. First, of course, the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Yeah, we're going to first apply that. We're going to do like 3 highlighters, I think. Maybe 2 for what I have in mind. Well, let's see. If this actually pulls itself off, then we might be good. The highlight is popping on a different level, and let me tell you why. This highlight is popping on a different level today simply because of the luminous primer that we put on. Like, I don't look so matte. I look matte, but I'm still, like, I have this inner glow. If I was to put more highlighter on this, it'd be a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna leave it just like this. So I'm first gonna start off with the brown liner. You already know. You already know. The gloss that I'm going to apply on top is a glitter gloss by e.l.f. and it's called Glam Guava. The look is finished. Finito. The look came together, y'all. It came together. It matches with my dress. It matches with the backdrop. It matches with the eyes. We got a little trio going on. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Of course, if you are not part of the Royal Gang, subscribe below to be part of the Royal Gang. Of course, y'all already know the vibes. Y'all already know the vibes. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And of course, I will see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.